Good morning, my good people. How are you doing? How was your trading day yesterday? This was my first entry and my second entry. I missed out on this entry. But anyway, let's wipe out and go straight to the point. Top down analysis as usual. Gold achieved a lot of crazy moves to the downside and to the upside during the day. So there was a lot of good trading to do. Move this to my daily. If you have seen my video for the first time, I every day show my analysis to show how I think when I'm trading, just to help people who trade in similar pattern or people who are interested in trading in similar pattern to get better. I trade the moment, so I mainly just use the basic of them all, support and resistance. I also have courses for beginners. I'm just here for beginners and people that are struggling. That's what I'm here for. I'm not looking for any sort of reward or whatever, but just my little way to give back. I like to draw my line short, which is why I've reduced this. So I first extend it for it to touch everywhere that can be touched. Then I reduce it to the moment because I just like my charts to be nice and neat. I also color code my charts because I focus during the day as a day trader. I focus on the lower time frame. But while I'm in the lower time frame, I am able to know exactly what price is doing or where price is at because of the color coding of my lines. So on the daily I color code red, the 4 hour I color code green, and the lower time frame I color code with blue. So this I'm able to pick on anywhere and also able to focus and know exactly what zone I am at. So now to the lower time frame. To the lower time frame. Let's now figure out what we are looking at here. What is this range? The range in here is 500 pips, which is not a bad range to trade. So what will I be looking at on gold today? If you've been watching my videos for a while, whenever I say what will I be looking at today, I need you to start asking yourself, try to give that answer before I even say anything. That way you can be able to know that you are learning. You get? Because my videos can come across as signals because they can tell you where to enter trades. But I'm not here to provide signals, and I'm not a YouTuber, so this is not going to be forever. Right now, I'm able to make out time for it, so I'm doing it to help people and all of that. Anyway, which way I'm looking at right now, this is a resistance, was a resistance that price broke in the Asian session. And price obviously right now is coming back to test the support. So right now we need to see if this support is a very strong and valid one. What will make it strong and valid is if price respects it. So maybe price tries to break and reverse into the zone, or just whatever. If price is unable to close below this zone, then we know price has respected this support. If price respects this support and gives a bullish confirmation, I can get into go long from here. If price breaks this support and goes and closes below this point, I can have a nudge that price is probably trying to come retest this zone right here. I actually should mark this zone, so I'm aware of it to take out some partials later. So if price comes in and close in here, that can give me a nudge that price is trying to come test this zone or go lower. But if so the areas of entries I'll be looking at is if I get a bullish confirmation from this zone, I'll go long. If I get a bearish confirmation from this zone, I'll go short. If price gets here and gives a bullish confirmation, long. If price gets here and gives a bullish confirmation, long. Let me look at this point. I might not trade in this zone because it's small. It's just a 390 pip range, and price is choppy right here. So I will not be entering. If I'm in any trade in this zone, it will be probably a trade I would have entered from above or from right below, but not. And if I'm to enter a trade from below here, the confirmation has to come in so early that I still have a lot of. I can still catch. I still have a lot of pips before it gets to the resistance. So let's see what price does. These are all my zones. Whatever confirmation I get in any of these zones, be it here for long, or here for long, or here for long, or even here for long, price can do anything. But on this side right here, if price should not even test this support and pushes above, breaks this position and gives a bullish confirmation, one can go long. If price decides to push to this point and it rejects here again, because see, several candles have rejected here. If price pushes up and it rejects at this point and gives me a bearish confirmation, I could go short from here. So these are all the different zones I would potentially enter a trade. Please don't follow them blindly. Do not follow them blindly. You need to observe and see, get the right confirmation before you decide when to enter the trade or not. But these are my zones. These are the areas I'm watching out for trades for today, and that will be good for today.